Hello everyone, your Petshia here. Today I'm going to tell you a simple phrase to sound your English more natural, which is feel like. Feel like can mean want or would like. After feel like, you can use noun or ing form. In today's lesson, I'm going to make it clear feel like plus ing form. Listen the following example sentence keenly. I feel like going to beach, which means I want to go to beach. See the next one. I feel like singing. It means I want to sing now. See this sentence clearly. I feel like going a bike ride. In this example sentence, I am expressing my desire to someone. So, you can use this phrase to express your desires or wishes to someone. Let us try few more example sentences in the past form of feel like. I felt like crying after watching that movie. I felt like dancing after listening your voice over the phone yesterday. In these examples, I am using the phrase feel like in the past form. You can use this phrase in the past form to express your emotions, feelings and how you felt in the past even. Let's try the negative sentences of feel like. Sorry, I don't feel like eating now. You have yours. Sorry, I don't feel like dancing right now. You carry on with your friends. In these sentences, I am opposing something in a polite way. When you want to oppose something in a polite way to your friends or your colleagues or your family members, you can prefer this phrase feel like. So dear friends, try this phrase feel like in your daily conversation. And don't forget to comment your example sentences in the comment box. See you again. Thank you.